Hey everyone, welcome back to Party Create. My name is Brooke and we have a really cool project to do today. We are going on an adventure and learning how to make our very own terrarium. If you like these videos and want to see more, make sure that you like and subscribe. To try to put Ireland in a bottle, we walked around some of our favorite places in County Down to get some inspiration. There are so many different places for us to explore here to find ideas for our terrariums. There's mountains, fields, forests, beaches, and all right outside our front door. So what is a terrarium? A terrarium is a tiny living garden that you can keep in your house. It's full of sand, dirt, rocks, moss, plants, and some decorations. The possibilities are endless. Here's all the supplies you'll need to get started on your terrarium. You'll need a glass container, some stones, dirt, moss or plants, cotton wool, hairspray, a few toothpicks, some markers, cardboard, and scissors. Your first step in building your terrarium is to go on an adventure. We went out by our house to find some dirt and some moss. We also, to get some sand, went to one of our most favorite places, Murloc Beach. We had so much fun. Right at the feet of the Mourne Mountains, Murloc Beach is known for some spectacular views. Just along the beach are miles of trails throughout the incredible sand dunes. These dunes are thousands of years old and are home to many different animals, birds, and butterflies. This is a great area to go swimming, but maybe not today. It's a little cold. Along the beaches, you'll find sand, seashells, and rocks. We found lots of rocks for our project. It's the perfect place to get some ideas for your terrarium. The rugged terrain is also home to some of these guys. Say hi, guys! They have plenty of grass to eat in the dunes. Murloc Beach is a beautiful place and is one of our very favorite spots in Northern Ireland. All right, to get started, make sure you have your workspace covered because this project is messy. Get out your glass container. We chose this bowl that's big enough to put lots of stuff in. The first step is to put sand in the bottom. This will help with watering your plants. I pressed down the sand so that I could have a bit more room for everything else. Next, you can take the rocks and start placing them. Always start with the larger rocks, then fill in with smaller stones and pebbles so you can fill up as much space as possible. Once you have the rocks in, you put dirt over everything. Make sure you press that dirt in so it gets between all the stones. I want to have a foreground and a background to my terrarium, so I'm building the dirt up a bit higher in the back to help the decorations stand out. Kind of like building a hill. Once you have your dirt in, you can start with your plants. We're using moss as it covers a lot of space and looks really good. Take your plants and place them in the dirt. If you're planting something with lots of roots, you'll need to dig a hole for them. Otherwise, just take your moss and press it into the soil. Now it's time for some decoration. We're gonna make some sheep. Cut some cotton balls in half and spray them a bit with hairspray to make them compact and rigid and tight. Once you've formed your sheep, take a marker and draw a triangle for their face. Attach your sheep to a toothpick and place it into your terrarium. These guys are starting to look like a flock. Next, to make our little house, you can print out your own guide in the link below. Once you print it out, cut it to size and then trace it onto some cardboard. cardboard shapes and color them in however you like. Then take some tape and stick it all together. Place your house in your terrarium and there you have it. There are so many other things you can use to decorate your terrarium. Trees, seashells, even toys and figurines. What decorations are you going to put in yours? And there you have it, our terrarium. Wow, guys, that was so much fun. I hope you had a really good time making your terrariums too. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and send us pictures of the terrariums that you made. Until next time, we'll see you soon, party people.